Bitcoin is flashing a signal that we haven't seen in years, and every time this happened, the price didn't just go up, it exploded. Today I am going to show you the real reason why Bitcoin is gearing up for a massive move. Not the fake hype, not the recycled narratives, but the actual data, institutions, and economic forces that are quietly setting the stage for something big. If you're in crypto right now, this may be the most important video you watch all year. Let's get into it. Every major Bitcoin cycle has started with one thing: a massive drying up of exchange supply. And guess what? The number of Bitcoins on exchanges has fallen to levels we haven't seen since 2018. This matters because when less Bitcoin is available and more institutions are buying, the price can only do one thing: go up. We're watching a supply squeeze forming in real time. This isn't speculation, it's mathematics. But this time, something new is happening. We're talking BlackRock, Fidelity, Vanguard, hedge funds, pension funds, even sovereign wealth funds. These institutions don't day trade. They buy for 5, 10, 20 years. When institutions start buying an asset with a fixed supply, the end result is predictable. We saw exactly the same pattern right before the 2017 run and the 2020 run, and now it's happening again, but bigger. Wall Street connected Bitcoin to the traditional financial system. This is why ETF inflows have been insane. In some weeks, ETFs are buying more Bitcoin than miners can produce. This has never happened before, and it leads us to the next major catalyst: the halving aftershock. Guess what Bitcoin is perfect for? Automated payments, machine-to-machine transactions, and proof of work tied to energy markets. AI agents using cryptocurrency isn't a futuristic idea anymore. It's happening right now. Large AI networks are already experimenting with blockchain rails for automated payments, resource allocation, and data verification. Bitcoin is becoming the settlement layer for machine economies. This alone is a trillion-dollar narrative, and there's more. Something massive is shifting globally. Countries are reducing their reliance on the US dollar. The BRICS nations are buying gold, reducing dollar reserves, and looking for neutral assets. Bitcoin is becoming the neutral, borderless reserve asset that no government controls. Bitcoin is slowly shifting from internet money to a global strategic asset. This is how supercycles begin. Right now, the macro environment is forming a rare, perfect storm. Inflation is slowly rising, currencies are weakening, debt is hitting all-time highs, interest rates are peaking, and liquidity is returning to markets. Historically, assets like Bitcoin, gold, and tech stocks skyrocket when liquidity increases. Investors are looking for scarcity, a store of value and growth. This is why this move could be bigger than 2021. And guess what? Retail hasn't even returned yet. We haven't seen true mania. This is still early. And the charts reflect something dangerously bullish. Bitcoin is entering what analysts call a compression zone. This is when volatility gets extremely low, and historically, low volatility leads to massive breakouts. It moved 200%, 400%, even 1000%. We are in the calm before the storm. Bitcoin pumps first, institutional money flows in, and then altcoins wake up. Narratives like AI, crypto, tokenization, and real-world assets will benefit most. Bitcoin is the spark, but the rest of the market is the explosion. To summarize, the real reasons Bitcoin is about to explode are record-breaking institutional demand, ETF inflows exceeding mining supply, historic lows in exchange reserves, the post-halving supply crunch, AI integration, de-dollarization, a perfect macro setup, and a technical compression phase on the charts. Every major force is pointing in the same direction. This isn't hype. This is data. This is history repeating. And this time, the scale is global. It supports the channel and helps more people understand what's really happening. Thanks for watching.